Hi there. So let's talk about intuition and the role it plays in problem solving. So, if we haven't met yet, hello, my name is Suzanne Fox, and I coach my clients with energy strategy tools. And intuition is my number one guidance tool. And I encourage my clients to use their intuition in their business and life decisions because intuition can see beyond all limitations and fears. And it is my go to for problem solving and decision making. And it's actually a very quick and efficient way to make decisions. But it's my brain that has a tendency to undermine my intuition. And I'm continually building trust between my brain and intuition so that I can, really confidently act on my intuitive guidance and take inspired action. And it's like there's this dynamic, back and forth committee in my head that is processing both illogical information from my intuition and logical information from my thinking brain. And then there's this process to integrate all of it and then try to map out the next steps to move forward. And intuition is tricky because it really doesn't make sense to the thinking brain. And our brains are wired to really reject any information that seems irrational or illogical. So, in context to problem solving, there is an idea that says the solution to a complex problem is rarely found in the location of the problem. So, when looking for an answer to ongoing issues or complex questions, don't look in the location where you think the answer is. Ask your intuition to show you, which seems counterintuitive at first until you get the hang of it. So, for example, take love problems, okay? Your complex love problems are rarely located in the area of the issue you think you have in your love life. Or, your ongoing business problems are rarely located in the area of the issue you think you have in your business. Or even complex health issues are rarely located in the area of the issue you think you have with your health. The solution to your problem is somewhere else, outside of the problem you think you have. The problem is usually just a symptom of something more significant, okay? Like your intuition, it's gonna guide you by giving you seemingly unrelated ideas as clues to point you in the direction of the real solution to your problem. So for example, you might get a random thought in your head to call your mom and see how she is doing when you're in the middle of struggling with a complex business decision. Maybe your intuition is showing you that you need to make relationships a high priority. And maybe you are not relating well with maybe your business partners or the people you work with. Another example could be when you're focused on upgrading your finances, okay? You may get an intuitive hit to take care of your body. And this may be a sign that your subconscious mind recognizes the connection between your physical health and your financial well-being. Investing in your well-being may be a direct connection point for a breakthrough in your finances. So, how your intuition does this is by highlighting the interconnection of the area of your life that will point to the solution of your problem. Your intuition will highlight a weakness in one area in your life to help you see that when you strengthen that weak area, it will strengthen the area you are having the issue with. So, if you're getting a strong intuitive hit in your life that feels like you're basically getting hit over the head to pay attention, it is also possible that the solution may involve transforming all of your personal habits or ways of doing things, or really restructuring your life in a whole new way. Like the old strategies that you used to use in the past to get you to where you are now will no longer work for you for where you are going or what you're trying to upgrade in your life. Your intuition wants to get your attention so that you look in the direction of the real issue. But your thinking brain fights your intuition because your brain can't see the root cause. Your thinking brain is only able to see that surface area, the conscious stuff. The root cause is hidden, and that is why the brain can't really see it. And this is often because the root cause of a problem is not always immediately visible or apparent and may lie deeper in even the unconscious mind or stuck in a past experience. But the root cause is not hidden from your intuition because your intuition has a different way of seeing. It's an energetic, felt sense way of seeing. Your intuition can see into the dark matter of your brain, in the shady areas of your mind and body, into the subconscious, and sometimes even deeper, deeper, deeper into the unconscious. So it's amazing. Here's my tip for you, okay? More often than not, you will get intuitive insights that seem unrelated to what it is that you're seeking answers to, right? But guaranteed, if you stay focused and notice and write down all the pieces of information, you will begin to see the pattern emerge from each piece of information given to you by clues and signs to where it is that you actually need to be focusing your attention, right? Your thinking brain will try to get you to focus on the problem while your intuition will be gathering the information to get you to the actual solution, right? So when you get an intuitive hit for a specific action step and it seems illogical and irrational, just make a note of it, okay? You can take action on it or not. But if you do not take action on it, at least begin making notes about it, keeping kind of a running tab of insights you get about a specific problem you're having, okay? You will begin to notice that pattern emerge. And the pattern emerging is highlighting an area in your life that is interconnected to the area in your life you are challenged with. And in that pattern will be the solution. So intuition is often a message from your subconscious mind to your conscious mind, highlighting the interconnection of all things. And recognizing patterns in your life can help you understand and make sense of your intuitive hits. And if you pay attention to those intuitions, they can also provide a roadmap for your future. So let me know in the comments any ahas you had during this message. And until next time, keep trusting your gut and following your intuitive guidance. Till next time.